Today I opening two swimmings.
Two swimmings.
Swimming pool.
Yeah.
And miss two swimming pool video.
Oh yeah.
US.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yes, Ate Chinita. Yeah.
And this is
You
my
talk.
best friend.
Yes.
And two best friend is mine. Different US. That one. Mama, get my US.
Oh yes. So
My US.
tomorrow I'm going to find it. I will ask Papa where he put it. Okay?
Get it.
Please, Gabi. Okay.
And
Good
Miss-
girl, right, Ate Dinita? She's good girl like you.
Borrow this. I'm to borrow her, my doll.
Oh yeah.
I'm to borrow. And it's not color there. And here in the house.
Yes, very good, Gabi. Oh, smile, both of you. Smile.
Heart.
Heart. Heart. One. Gabi, here. Very good, Ate. Good girl. Alright. Okay. You say bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you later.
See you later.
Okay.
Kanta mo ba padulo, parang biglang gumagana yung boses niyo. Which is, masarap sa feeling actually yung pag-awit niyo na yun. Kilala niyo ang boses ninyo. Pumili kayo ng tamang kata sa boses niyo. Kaya naman, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you po. Kilala niyo daw ang boses ninyo. Sino best friend niyo?
Go.
Favorite color niya? Bumibigay ka sa dedication ka.
Oo, syempre. Thanks for everything. Ganun, di ba?
Dedication mo, thanks for everything.
Di ba
Hindi
magdededicate
kaya ako nalalagay kaya lang sa dedication. Keep sa people memory as a sign of our friendship. Ganon. Ganon, di ba?
Hindi, meron pa sa Japan.
Ano yung Japan that always pray at night?
Oh.
Ay, hindi ako Italy. I trust and love you.
Oo.
When naman?
Oo, ganyan sabi sa akin. Oh, Italy, huwag mong palayain Italy.
Guys, I don't have fun with you.
Career, ikaw, pumipira pa ka ba ng mga slam book dati?
Sabihin mo naman weird ako na sa akin nakalagay, save the earth.
Bakit si Superman ba may-ari ng slam book mo? Save the earth? Bakit ito?
Mas okay na thanks for everything
Mas
ko
save the earth mo
Nakakaloka na yung akin
Kabarkada yata nito, X-Men eh. Save the earth? Tapos binili notebook sa Save More?
It's on Vince Vlog.